For the people of Bongabong, stockpiling of their anti-aging mud was a necessary but tedious pursuit. Until one day, an extremely friendly truck driver looking for Switzerland introduced them to a sparkling orange drink and agreed with one 98-year-old to trade it for the secret of his youthful complexion. Overnight, Bongabong was a mass of mobile phones, rollerblades and baguettes. And the truck driver never did find Switzerland. Fanta, welcome to the world.
What are these?
New pretzel flips from Nestle. Crunchy, savoury pretzels covered in chocolate.
Pretzels? Covered in chocolate? You're joking, right? I mean, who in their right mind would want pretzels covered in chocolate?
Nestle pretzel flips. You'll like them, but you won't know why.
You couldn't give them away.
Court sale exhibits.
My lord, there are huge reductions. 5 years interest-free credit and free for a year. Exhibit 1, a quality carpet. Exhibit 2, a sumptuous sofa. Exhibit 3, a price promise to beat any competitor's price by up to £25. Exhibit 602, a wonderful wardrobe. Exhibit 603, a beautiful bed.
Lay down the law.
Exhibit 604, a classical cabinet.
These bargains go on and on and on. Judge for yourself in court.
Make haste.
If car made football boots, what would they be like?
Hot shot, boom shot, all kind of shots.
I hate cleaning and dusting. Just using a cloth leaves a lot of dust, and some polishes can smear. There are 2 ways to cut the effort of cleaning and dusting all your surfaces. 1, cover them in polythene. No. 2, use Pledge Clean and Dust. Its special cleansers remove sticky marks with less smearing, and its anti-static agents pick up more dust. That's it. No problem. Pledge Clean and Dust, cleaning and dusting in one easy step.